Welcome to Lily and Mommy Show. Today we're gonna be baking strawberry French toast, which is vegan. And we're using pink powder, which is made from dragon fruit.
Yes, thank you for that intro, Lily. My name is Megan Sad. This is my daughter, Lily Knight. We're taking over Beatnik's social channels today to make an amazing Mother's Day brunch recipe. This is the best French toast I've ever had. I modeled the recipe after my favorite childhood treat, strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. It's stuffed and layered with fresh strawberries and cream cheese that's sweetened just a little bit. And we're making it with strawberry crunch, which is vanilla sandwich cookies and freeze-dried strawberries with a little bit of vegan butter. You ready to get started?
Yeah, now back to cooking. Here we go.
Okay, so first we are starting off with our French toast base. We've got some aquafaba here. You want to pour it in?
Yeah, aquafaba.
This is the liquid from a can of chickpeas. Okay, next we've got full fat coconut milk from a can. This makes it super creamy. So in that goes. You want to do the dragon fruit?
Yeah.
Okay, pour the whole thing in there. Very good.
It was just a big pop.
All right, next we've got some chickpea flour. There you go. And a little bit of strawberry jam.
Ooh, yummy.
And just a little bit of vanilla.
Vanilla. That smells good.
You ready to stir?
Yeah.
Rainbow whisk.
Ooh, crunchy, yummy.
You excited?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so good.
Whoa, this looks so yummy already.
Next, let's stuff our French toast. We've got some cream cheese sweetened with a little bit of maple syrup.
I need to hold the toast.
You're doing great. So you just layer the cream cheese on each slice.
My toasts are gonna be extra good than Mommy's. When you eat mine, you're gonna feel the extra love in your mouth.
Thanks.
Actually,
You want to layer some strawberries?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're doing now, we're going to sandwich the stuff. We're gonna layer it. Smush.
Smush.
Okay, time to get a little bit messy.
Yay.
And we are ready to dunk our French toast in the batter, and then we are going to cover it in this strawberry crunch. Lower it in. So let's do it like this, and like this, and like this.
This looks so cool.
Doesn't it? Okay. Look how good that looks. Wow.
Wow, this looks so good.
You're the best. Thank you. Oh. So we're gonna add a little bit more to the spots that are missing some.
Can I do it? Can I do it? I wanna do it.
And then I have more for after we bake it too. Okay, into the oven it goes.
And Oreo break.
Oreo break.
Yum!
Oreo break.
Yum, 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 yum.
Wow. Okay. This looks amazing. We want to make sure that this is covered in all of our strawberry crunch. So we're gonna add a little bit more cream cheese frosting, and we're just gonna coat this thing
Coat this
even
thing.
more.
That kind of looks like white chocolate.
Yum. Okay, the next step, now that we have covered this in a little bit of extra cream cheese frosting, we're gonna add even more crunch covering and coating. So let's get just a little bit of whipped cream on top. What do you think? Is it delicious?
It's so delicious. Yummy. Mommy, you did a good job.
You helped me. This is the best French toast I've ever had.
Okay, I'm done.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to make this for your mom for Mother's Day. I'm sure she's gonna love it. And comment below if you think Beatniks should add this Strawberry Crunch French toast to their new brunch menu.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, sweetie.